What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make selection in your Photoshop CC 2018. I have selected this image for you. You can open any image you want. I have selected this because many people say that we are not able to select the hairs of the image and all that. So this image have hairs plus the characters. So open the Photoshop, click W if you want to make select the selection tool and adjust your size and hardness and spacing from here according to your image. So I'm going to be pressing Ctrl O to let the image fits in my screen, and I'm going to be selecting the image. Characters start from here. The main real magic will happen afterwards after selecting the total image. Like here we got some hairs which gonna be difficult to copy. The one who don't know how to copy it's gonna be difficult for them. But now after seeing this, you're going to be able to copy every single hair from the image easily. Like these two both are hairy because they're animals, so they will be hairy. I think I have selected the image properly. Yeah, so we got this. Now click on here and click on go here and click on layer mask, then right click it and go on select and mask. After going there, select this tool and brush it over the hairs, the hair which you want to copy properly. So here are some hairs I am seeing. I will brush it here. If you don't feel good, if you are not getting the the result you want, if you're not getting the result, so you can adjust the brush size from here, radius, so it will focus on more on hairs. Adjust the radius from here according to your hair sizes and all, difficulties and all that hair things. You know what I mean. Hairs here, and wherever I'm seeing hairs, I'm just brushing over it without taking any kind of tension and all that. Then I will do this and this will happen to my image and all, because nothing is going to happen. This will just select the hairs properly. This is the difficult portion for many, but after seeing this, it will not be difficult for you to select any hairy images. Any image of guy and girl with a hair. So I think I got something here too. So now after brushing over your hairs, you will see the magic that I have selected all the single hairs you want, because if it's not like that, it would have been difficult for us to select the hairs. To smooth the image, to want a perfect fit for your image, you can smooth your image from here. I will not tell you to mess this up because it will not gonna look better. Especially this, it will just ruin your selection. So after brushing over our hairs, I'm gonna be clicking OK. I think you have seen the difference what I got here. First it was not perfect, but now it's perfect, and now I can move this image anywhere I want and it will be perfect image wherever I manipulate it. Let me show you. See, this fits so perfect to the image I have manipulated. It looks so good, so perfect. Hairs and all that are good. Nothing like that coming out of your selection, white background or wherever the background comes. if you select hair, they comes first if the hair are not selected properly. But now you can see the results of the using the select a mask tool. So guys, if you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscription. I really need support for you guys. I really want to get to like 100 subscribers, but I know they are very far from now, but I'm gonna be getting that. Please subscribe my channel and like the video guys. Thank you.